Hi everyone, welcome to Electric Vehicle YouTube channel. Today let us try to see how to start this Hero made Vida V1 Pro. So just you have an button here, just press this button, automatically the vehicle will start and it is showing that powered by Hero Vida, and you can see the motor is in off condition and the stand is in off condition. Just climb the vehicle and just remove the stand. Okay, how to start is so now the motor is in which position? Off position. Hold this brake and use this power button what it is given, both use press for simultaneously for 1 second. Automatically a notification is shown here, the motor is on, and the kill switch should be in which condition? Off condition. For example, unfortunately this is in on condition. So kill switch is on means automatic the motor is off. So we should remove this kill switch, automatically it will show that again you have to start. So how to start is use this brake and use this power button, just hold it for 1 second, it will show the motor is on and it will show the odometer. And coming to the, this is the speedometer, is nothing but when you start it will show the speed, and odometer is already recording how many kilometers this vehicle has been driven till date is 6,925 kilometers, approximately 7,000 kilometers has already driven. So if you see the saving point of view, this is 7,000 kilometers multiplied with 2 rupees, 14,000 rupees has already recovered after the purchase of this electric vehicle 3 months back, and it will show you the date 4/7/24 and it is Thursday, and you can navigate it. You can see this navigation button. So this is like a joystick, you can navigate it, or you can use touch screen. This is also a touch screen button. Trip, so up to now we made a trip is 10 kilometers and only for 37 minutes, and average speed I have been traveled is only 16.2 kilometers per hour. And when you come to the next option, so it is showing the B trip. Yesterday what they had made is for 41 hours 10 meters, the speed they had driven is 20. Okay, so you can drag it, and if you want to start navigation you have to start in your phone, automatically it will start. So now how to change the modes? Okay, you see here basically this is in eco mode, and you can see this button here. So this is called mode button. Okay, so when you press this mode button, automatically you can see here the vehicle you see here, when I press the mode button, ride mode. Okay, next one sports mode, second mode, next one custom mode, third mode, next one eco mode. Like this you have 4 different modes of operation, and you can see here the electric vehicle charging is available is 81 percentage, and you can drive now it for 61 kilometers, and the temperature in the electric vehicle is 35 degrees. So this is all about the UI. So the main advantage of this UI is Vida powered is, so this model you can have all different switch controls and you can have the display. So this is an 7-inch TFT display, and you can directly use touch screen, or you can directly use the switch buttons how to navigate this electric vehicle. So thank you for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, please like, share and subscribe to our electric channel. Thank you for watching.